Hola clase, it is Senora Group, and today we are having a practice remote learning day. What that means is we are going to practice what it would be like if we had to learn from home. So in February, I know we have a remote learning day scheduled on February, I think it's 15th, but then sometimes we are out of school and have to do a remote learning day or e-learning day because of fog or snow. So we're just giving this a practice today in class. I will be there in class with you today. I'm probably sitting at my desk right now and you can see me, but we are pretending that I am not there. So whenever we have to do remote learning or e-learning, here is what I would suggest you do. I would go into our course, so you're on our home screen, so you can see us here, and then I would click on today's lesson and assignment. And that's going to take you to our agenda, remember. And then I would click through to the day that we need. So the day we need is viernes. And so we are going to look at what it says. So this part is what we're doing in class when before we start having the remote learning day. But here is where you would click to get to your remote learning. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. And then you're going to see this screen right now in this recording. That's because I have it locked until a certain time tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and leave student view. And then this is what you will see. You will be taking a quiz. And so here is what our remote learning or e-learning day pages always look like. You'll see bienvenidos, which means welcome. You'll see remote learning and then whatever day that remote learning is for. Then it's going to ask you to watch a video. So the video you're actually watching right now would be here. After watching the video, it's going to give you instructions on what you're going to do. So it says today, you're going to take a quiz over the procedures and expectations in La Clase de Español. You may use the Google slide presentation to help you. And so that is linked right here. So if you would click it, it would take you out to that Google slide presentation. So you could go back in and look for answers as you're working on the actual, when you're working on the actual quiz. And that's not cheating. I told you that that's a resource that you can use. So then if you want to look at that, you can. You only get one attempt on the quiz, so make sure you take your time. And there are 10 questions. It tells us here and is worth 10 points. So once you were ready, you would go ahead. It would say take quiz for you. You would take the quiz, and then when you're finished, you would submit the quiz, and that would be all you would need to do for our remote learning or e-learning for the day. If you would have any questions, you just need to send me a message through Canvas, and you can do that by going over and clicking on the inbox, or you can send me an email. And my email address is agroob@hccsc.k12.in.us. So either way, if you have questions, you would just send me a message. That's today while we practice, and then any day that we would have a remote learning or e-learning day. So remember, I am there in class with you today, but I do want you to treat this as a remote learning day. And so if you have questions, you need to message me through Canvas or send me an email. And I am looking forward to seeing how you do on the quiz. Buena suerte, which means good luck. Adios, mis estudiantes.